4th. Welcome back, everybody. Isn't this a nice place to start a video? It's the 4th. 4th of June. June 4th. It's my sister's birthday. Happy birthday, sis. And I'm not in Ohio. No. But I'm not far. I'm just a few hours away from Central Ohio, just outside of Beckley, West Virginia. We're heading down into the New River Gorge area, and I've just been going straight down for a minute now, and that's okay. It's a wonderful ride, and the last time I came down through here, I had an issue with my camera, and I didn't get the footage, so hopefully we don't have any issues. And this is just going to end up down at the bottom, and I'm going to get some other footage, and then we're just going to follow 41 up to 60 and 60 over to 64 and back to Beaver, West Virginia. But a fantastic road so far. And I picked this up off of 19, I do believe. And my right side of my sunglasses, oh, I can't see. They come on, dude. I couldn't see the right side. My whole right side fogged over. Let's try that again. And it was pretty an uneventful trip. It was in the 90s, you know, and this is the first big trip I've had this year. And then all of a sudden it was a downpour of rain, and I've experienced something I've never experienced before. I know this thing needs an alignment, but the front end, it kept walking back and forth. Like, so I don't know if I was hydroplaning, and it just, I don't know. I need to get it aligned. Cars were off the side of the road. One Cadillac did a big old, yep, that's gorgeous. One Cadillac went across all 4 lanes through the median, ended up in the median. So it was a ton of rain. So I don't want to be like, oh, the Spider can't handle rain. No, it was insane the amount of rain I had to go through. So I think I was just going maybe a little too fast at 50 miles per hour. Man, what a gorgeous river. And it was really windy. I mean, it was just, you know, everything. So, but we got woed down. We got to the hotel, no problem. And now here we are, enjoying this fantastic ride. So I will come back once I get down the road. All right, welcome back. I just went to put up the 360, and guess what? SD card is full. So check it out. Man, what a beautiful place. And now we're going to go up. And that's a ton of gravel right there. I want to look, and it's hard to look and ride all at the same time. That'd be cool to catch a train down through here. Yeah, so like I said, I'm just on 41. I'm gonna take it up to 60, and I'm just gonna ride around Amtrak. Well, that's kind of cool. Yeah, I'm just gonna ride around and see what I see, you know. I've done this loop once before, and you know, it's a wonderful little route. Midland Trail is 60, and it cuts, I think, West Virginia in half. That's why they call it the Midland Trail. I'm going to be doing part of that next weekend as well. So right now I'm south of where I'm going to be doing next weekend, but it's all going to be along the New River. What beautiful with the fog lifting. Maybe I'll see a bear. I want to see a bear so bad on one of my rides. So next weekend I will be in West Virginia, and I have a week off, and then I'm going to be heading to Tennessee. So maybe I'll see a bear in Tennessee. I want to see one so bad. I don't want to see one to where they eat me, but I want to see a bear. I'll be like, look at that, it's a bear. You know, I've seen an elk. Last time I was down in the Smokies, you know, I saw a lot of people grouping together, but it was just a little bit too far for me to get over there. So, you know, I just enjoyed riding through the mountains. Just like now, I enjoy just riding through them. I got the hiccups. You believe that? You don't know how many times I have to edit out the hiccups. Whew. But no, I enjoy riding through the mountains. So maybe we can get this to the alignment shop before I head down Tennessee. That way it handles just a little bit better. And if I run into any rain, it's not gonna like slide off the road and kill me. Oh, those green mountains up there. I don't believe I have a full SD card. And when I travel now, I went out and I bought just a small little Chromebook that I can bring with me. That way when I'm in the hotel room, I can watch a little YouTube. And that thing has no storage, so I can't even like move things off of that to put on the Chromebook. One of these days I'll learn to check. Yeah, that road's gone. Big section was just sliding down the mountain. Now see, I grew up in southern Ohio, and I understand what that looks like in the road. Anytime you have like a big dip in the road and it gets bigger as it gets to the side, that means something's moving. And when you drop down one tire into that on a spider, oh, it makes the spider very upset. So I try to avoid them if I can. Yeah, you don't get a much prettier road than this, to be honest with you. It's fairly early in the morning. I'm gonna get back to the hotel pretty early and just chill. Maybe I can get some comments answered. Oh my goodness gracious. I literally hit the nose on that. Oh, that was a hard hit. I tried to get woed down. That was a hard hit on the nose. Keep an eye on those temperatures just to make sure we didn't break something up front. I'll tell you, these people don't want to stay in their lanes here, do they? What do we have? Leaving New River Gorge National Park Reserve. And this road's just gonna be twisty, just like this. So I will let everybody go. I will get up to 60 and I'll come back. Unless I come back to something, man, that's just a gorgeous property down there. Oh, I dig it. I dig a mountain on one side, and that's definitely a mountain, and a creek on the other. Man alive. All right, everybody. I am going to get up the road, and then I will be back. I see the creek over there. It's saying, peekaboo, here I am. All right. welcome back. I didn't realize that this road was actually off 41. So we are going to take a little detour since I can't use the 360 cam. We will just come on down here to Bobcat, I think it's what it is, State Park. It's a gorgeous little park, to be honest with you. There's a little mill, a little creek. Yeah, I know, I'm not in my lane. Be cool to pick up a cabin down here, wouldn't it? Just chill. Here we go. Oh, it's gorgeous. Yeah, let's get off. Let's take a look here. All right, everybody, I think I'm gonna hit the road, but here we are down at the lower part of the falls. All right, everybody, we're back on the Midland Trail, Route 60. This road is fantastic, to be honest with you. And, you know, it's just one of those great back roads that just twist through West Virginia. As soon as I say the road's great, it goes to poo. Okay, yeah, there we go. That's a little disappointing. Okay. This nose, I don't know why it's so low and just hitting absolutely everything. We're gonna have to see if we can't get that fixed. And then, like I said, I'm just gonna run up to 64. Oh, eye twitch, eye twitch. All right, I'm back. I'm just gonna run up to 64. And then probably back down to the hotel where I can take some medicine and get some lunch. And I'll probably be done with my day, but we'll see. Bobcat, I think that's the name of it. Motorcycle. It's a cute little park. Tons of cabins, tons of hiking. I saw people gearing up to go hiking, and yeah, I know I'm not in my lane. I've been yelling at people all day for doing that. Yeah, it'd be cool to come down here and spend a couple days just to see what's in the area. Everywhere I ride in West Virginia has just been perfect. I have not had a ride in West Virginia that I have not liked yet. And I was just messing with my phone last night. Oh my goodness gracious, what are they trying to do? Oh, it looks like the governor put in another motorcycle route. So, you know, like the Dragon and all the other great roads, you know, they want to bring motorcyclists and sports car clubs and all that to West Virginia. So it's a 174-mile loop. So I need to see what that is and do that one day. That'd be nice. That would definitely be a day's ride just to do the loop. And it's cool because it starts in one spot and then you loop around and it ends in the same spot, so you could go get a hotel in that town. And I don't remember much more than that, except, you know, 174 miles. It's the 4th one that they've made here in the state of West Virginia to put on there. You can get a little book that tells you the motorcycle road. So I'll take a look at that when I get back to the hotel. And you know, West Virginia is just a couple hours from where I live, so I love getting into West Virginia because it's never that hard of a ride. I'm almost 1 tank of gas away from home, you know, so anytime you are that close and you have roads that I have ridden today, it's a good time. There's some Green Mountains. I think this part of 660, no, 664 is in my hometown. This part of 60, I think we're just kind of like riding the ridge most of the time. And then when I get back to 64, I think I'll go back through the New River Gorge, but I'm not sure. But I think I will. I know you see it on 19, but I think you also see it on 64 as well. And then you got 20 down through here that goes down to Sandstone Falls, which is yet another incredible ride.